This has been a great visit with a great man, a great country, and you see what's going on, a tremendous investment in our country, and the development you just looked at, AI Plus, is going to be purchased through mostly companies based in the United States, and Jensen was here and the whole group, and I think it's going to be something very special. It's a massive project, and it's going to be brought through the United States largely, and it's an honor to be here. And the last 4 days have been really amazing. I think they've been amazing. But it shows you where our country can go. And I want to thank all of my team, Howard, Scott, everybody. They've done an amazing job. So we'll be leaving tomorrow, as you know. Almost destination unknown, because we're getting calls, could you be here, could you be there? But probably going back to Washington, D.C. tomorrow. Some of you are going to be traveling with us. And I'm going to sign the guest book now, and we appreciate you've treated us, the media's treated us very fairly. Maybe because you're with me, I don't know, but they've treated us very fairly. It's been an amazing trip. I don't think there's ever been anything like it. And it's a great honor to be with you tonight. It's my honor. Thank you. Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.